Hi guys, it's Rick here. Welcome to the channel, and this is just a very brief video of me changing the TFT mount, or what you want to call it, the tower, from when I broke it last November. I did take a load of photos and videos with the intention of putting something up sooner, but I just never ended up doing it. So I read some of the comments lately, and someone said, look, if you've got anything, I've done the same to mine. It would help a bit if you just put something up. So here it is. It's not an instruction guide, it's not a point-by-point kind of video as I've done in the past. I've just collated a load of bits and pieces together as best I could, stitched them up and posted it here for you to have a look at. So if you bust your tower and you want to swap it out yourself, it might help. Right. I'm starting with taking off the screen. Right, that's the screen removed. I just need to remove my GPS unit next. Right, that's off. Right, I've removed all the cable ties and braces. As you can see, my temporary fix didn't work. Right. Off.
Dreams are hanging by a thread, they slip before they should. I watch the sky and wonder if it's waiting on me too.
Alright, screen's off. This broken tower I've removed. What a mess. Now I've got to take this off so I can get to that. Right. Kind of jumped a couple of stages, but not a lot. Essentially, you got 4 bolts behind here. You got 1, 2, and the same on the other side. And also, you need to release the bolts here that keep the side panels on. And once you've disconnected everything, the headlight. So essentially, that bolt, and those 2 bolts either side, you just pop off the side of these panels, which are these here, the side of the fairing panels, and the whole unit just comes off forwards. And there we go. I'll just need to get that bottle off then, and then take this broken unit off and put a new one on. Yeah, see how it goes. Right, done that. So now I want to take that one off and that one off down there. And we've got 3 more bolts keeping these 2 halves together. One, 2, and 3. Right.
Dreams are hanging by a thread. They slip before they should. I watch the sky and wonder if it's waiting on me too. 'Cause my life keeps spinning on no matter what I do. I'm putting it off, say there's still time. That I'm growing up, but shit never gets done. Every promise that I make just breaks another one.
Well, now you've got to the end of the video. I hope you had a successful job and you managed to change the tower without too many problems. It's quite straightforward if you just do it slowly, take lots of photographs, keep all your parts together in some kind of an order, don't mix up your bolts or your clips. Like I say, plenty of photographs is the main thing, because you can always refer back to it, and it's not really a costly exercise. It just takes a couple of hours, well, 2 to 3 hours. You don't need to take engine bars off, side panels. Ignore this. I'm actually replacing panels that I've actually scuffed up with some new ones. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys later.